Hello my friends, it's Ashton from the Pea Ridge Library, and this month's Take and Make crafts are bracelets. You can see I've got two that I made. One is just a pretty pattern. You see I did 3 beads and then 1 regular bead and 3 beads. The other one that I made is actually pretty cool. It is Morse Code. So since it's almost spooky season, I decided to do a spooky word like witch. So I used the Morse Code cheat sheet and I spelled W-I-T-C, I think H, and it spells witch, which is pretty cool. Today we're also going to be learning a really fun new word, and that is vast, which means a large majority of choices. You've got a vast number of beads in your Take and Learn kits. Grab your Take and Learn kits and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do to make your bracelet is to sort through the vast variety of beads that you have. Miss Cindy's beads look a little bit different than the ones that are in your kits, but they are basically the same process. And the world is your oyster here, which just means that there are a vast number of possibilities. So take your time choosing what you would like. You can choose a specific color or whatever. Next you want to do is size your elastic. There should be enough elastic in your kits to make 3 children's size bracelets, but of course it will vary. You can even make 1 big necklace if you want to. The next thing that we're going to do is to string our first bead and tie it off. And then you just start going. You can choose any pattern you like. You can choose no pattern. Or, bonus craft, you can base a pattern upon Morse code using different size, shape, and textured beads to mean dots and dashes. Again, there are a vast number of possibilities. And sometimes you spill them. But that's why the cupcake tin is in your kit, is to try to catch everything and keep everything in one spot. It's okay to fail. Pick them up and try again. You may pause in the middle to take a phone call, like Miss Cindy did, or grab a snack. Bracelet making is sometimes a process, so don't expect it to always be something you can sit down and do in one sitting. Once you are done making your pattern, the next step is quite arguably the hardest. You have to tie a knot in your bracelet. You may want to ask an adult for help with this. And just like Miss Cindy is doing, tie it a couple times. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want to be in the middle of wearing it and then it fling off. trim the ends and then tuck that knot inside a bead on your bracelet. And ta-da! You are done. You have created a beautiful new accessory out of the vast majority of beads given to you.